In the currency quadrant, after a two-session losing streak in the March British pound, we get a small rally. And technically, that really doesn't mean much, except that we based at the bottom of the channel the pound has been in since about December 13th. On the high today, 127.01. That was up a little bit more than 0.5%. On the low, 126.01. That was down about 0.28%. We finished today up a little bit more than 0.25%. Now, this move that we got today was after a move of 0.91% lower the previous day, which was the second largest down move of the calendar year. And on a weekly basis, the British pound is still down by 0.64%. Now, UK inflation came out last night, or I should say early this morning, and it was higher than expected, with month-over-month headline coming in at up 0.4 versus a forecast of up 0.2 and a previous read of down 0.2. The month-over-month core was worse, coming in at up 0.6% versus expectations of up 0.4% and a previous of down 0.3%. All of this took the year-over-year headline inflation to up 4% versus last month's up 3.9%, and the core year over year to up 5.1%, which matched the same rating as last month. Now, the dollar was also stronger today against all the majors except the pound, and that was off the back of that inflation data and stronger yields in the US. The dollar was stronger by 0.76 against the Aussie dollar, 0.7 against the New Zealand dollar, 0.8 against the yen, 0.55% against the Swiss, and 0.3% against the Canadian dollar. Even the euro was slightly weaker against the US dollar today, but not the pound. The pound maintained its strength off of that higher inflation data.